are journal adjustments, the worksheet. This is only the journal portion of the general ledger. You can look up any individual general ledger account. Trial balance is a summary of all the transactions in the accounting in the GL code total. General ledger is a list of all the transactions in the pivot report. Selecting the worksheet, period 1 to 12. General ledger is made up of the date of the transactions, source, normally GJ for general journal, the number of the journal, period, what the general ledger code is, some details, and the pluses and minuses. So a typical journal entry would be 130. So there we would have the date, the GL code, it's an accrual, what it's about, the debits and credits, always balancing to naught. Once you've entered it, you just post it to the ledger. Then, how does the general ledger update? So all of the books of prime entry go into the ledgers, and from the ledgers go into the general ledger. So if you click on trial balance for period 12, you'll now get final trial balance at the end of period 12 sorted by the income and expense column, the balance sheet assets and liabilities column, with totals, and the totals of all the debits less all the credits will always come to null. And this balance over here tells you it's null, which means that the whole trial balance balances, and this total over here is what is the credits minus the debits to tell you that you're in a loss position of 33,595.81. Like all the other reports, you can filter. So if I want just the asset accounts, I get the 13 asset accounts, liabilities, I get the 17 general ledger codes that make up the liabilities. On the trial balance, you can double click on any transaction, period 1 to 12, and a 12. Select those transactions, sorted by period number and date, give you a monthly total and a year-to-date total. Previous, and you can call up any other general ledger code and see all the transactions that are in the ledger. Sorted by month, sorted by year to date. 58,900, 58,900, trial balance 58,900. The actual ledger, the general ledger, which is all the transactions brought together. Start period, end period, 1 to 12. Sorted by GL code with totals. So there you see the bank, which is obviously quite a number of transactions. You can see the other bank accounts, debtors, creditors, VAT coming down to the expenses, office expense with total, printing and stationery, rent, repairs. If you click on summary, you will see it in total with or grouped with a plus, and if you click on any one of the pluses, it will open up and show you all the transactions that are in the ledger. Also got a very nice pivot table, and the trick is to go from period 0 to 12. 0 will be your opening balances, so there they are, assets and liabilities, and for each period, each month, it will always balance to naught, and you're seeing the whole ledger pivoted by total in from period 1 to period 12. If you double click on any one of these amounts, you'll see the transactions that make it up. If I double click on, I'll see it's made up of 2 transactions. Then you can come to your period 12 and your total, and you'll see this is the total of your expenses and income. So security was 16,620, and these are the transactions that make it up. This is an ideal report to set up any kind of management accounts. You've got your opening trial balance, you've got your total per period, and you've got the total for 12 periods. And you can create any kind of report from this